Welcome to this video on credit card tips and tricks for maximizing rewards. If you are someone who uses a credit card for your daily expenses, then you might as well earn some rewards while doing so. Credit cards can help you earn cashback, travel points, and other rewards, but you need to be smart about using them. In this video, we will cover various tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your credit card rewards. Understanding credit card rewards. Before we dive into tips and tricks, it's essential to understand how credit card rewards work. Credit card companies offer rewards to incentivize customers to use their cards. These rewards can come in the form of cashback, travel points, merchandise, and more. The rewards you earn are based on your spending habits, which is why it's crucial to choose a card that aligns with your lifestyle and needs. Cashback. Cashback rewards are the most popular and straightforward form of credit card rewards. With cashback cards, you earn a percentage of the money you spend back in cash. For example, if you have a card that offers 2% cashback on all purchases, and you spend $1,000, you will earn $20 in cashback rewards. Travel rewards. Travel rewards cards offer points that you can redeem for flights, hotels, and other travel-related expenses. These cards often come with higher annual fees, but the rewards can be significant if you are a frequent traveler. Tips for maximizing cashback rewards. Now that you understand the basics of credit card rewards, let's look at some tips for maximizing cashback rewards. Tip number 1. Choose the right card for your spending habits. The first tip for maximizing cashback rewards is to choose a card that aligns with your spending habits. Look for cards that offer bonus categories for the things you spend the most money on. For example, if you spend a lot of money on groceries, look for a card that offers bonus cashback for grocery purchases. If you spend a lot of money on travel, look for a card that offers bonus cashback for travel-related expenses. Tip number 2. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer sign-up bonuses to new customers. These bonuses can range from a certain amount of cashback to free travel points. If you are in the market for a new credit card, look for one that offers a generous sign-up bonus. Just make sure you understand the terms and conditions before signing up. Tip number 3. Maximize bonus categories. Once you have a credit card that aligns with your spending habits, make sure you maximize the bonus categories. For example, if you have a card that offers bonus cashback for grocery purchases, make sure you are using that card for all of your grocery shopping. The same goes for any other bonus categories. Tip number 4. Pay your balance in full each month. This tip is essential, not just for maximizing cashback rewards but also for avoiding debt. Credit cards can be a powerful tool for earning rewards, but they can also be dangerous if not used responsibly. Make sure you pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Tips for maximizing travel rewards. If you have a travel rewards credit card, here are some tips for maximizing your rewards. Tip number 1. Understand the redemption process. The first tip for maximizing travel rewards is to understand the redemption process. Travel rewards cards can be complicated, so make sure you read the terms and conditions carefully. You don't want to miss out on rewards because you didn't understand how to redeem them. Tip number 2. Take advantage of bonus categories. Just like cashback cards, travel rewards cards also offer bonus categories that can help you earn more rewards. Look for cards that offer bonus points for flights, hotels, and other travel-related expenses. Tip number 3. Use your card for all travel-related expenses. To maximize your travel rewards, use your card for all travel-related expenses. This includes flights, hotels, rental cars, and any other expenses you might incur while traveling. The more you use your card, the more rewards you will earn. Tip number 4. Take advantage of companion passes and upgrades. Some travel rewards cards offer companion passes and upgrades that can help you save money on travel. Companion passes allow you to bring a friend or family member with you on a flight for free or at a reduced rate. Upgrades allow you to upgrade your seat to a better class for free or at a reduced rate. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions before taking advantage of these offers. Other tips and tricks. Now that we've covered tips for maximizing cashback and travel rewards, here are some other tips and tricks that can help you get the most out of your credit card rewards. Tip number 1. Set up automatic payments. Setting up automatic payments can help you avoid late fees and interest charges. Make sure you set up automatic payments for at least the minimum payment each month. Tip number 2. Monitor your account for fraudulent activity. Monitor your account regularly for fraudulent activity. If you notice any unauthorized charges, report them to your credit card company immediately. Tip number 3. Don't spend more than you can afford. Credit cards can be a powerful tool for earning rewards, but they can also be dangerous if not used responsibly. Make sure you don't spend more than you can afford to pay back each month. Tip number 4. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you are using compared to the total amount of credit available to you. Keeping your credit utilization low can help improve your credit score, which can help you qualify for better credit card offers in the future. Conclusion. In conclusion, credit card rewards can be a great way to earn cashback, travel points, and other rewards, but you need to be smart about using them. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits, maximize bonus categories, and pay your balance in full each month. If you have a travel rewards card, understand the redemption process, take advantage of bonus categories, and use your card for all travel-related expenses. And remember to monitor your account regularly, set up automatic payments, and don't spend more than you can afford. With these tips and tricks, you can get the most out of your credit card rewards.